Hey everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmaster's Paradise, and tonight I'm going to try to whip up a quick card. The kiddos are in bed and Johnny is watching a football game for the next few minutes, and so I'm going to try to whip this card up pretty quickly. I am trying to combine two challenges to make a card. I want to submit it to Simon Says Stamp for the Sparkle and Shine challenge, and then I also want to submit this for the Lawn Fawn challenge, which is New Year's. So I looked through all my stamps. I don't have any like Happy New Year stamps, but it says the sky's the limit, and I thought it would be cute to put 2021 in die cut letters. I just ended up getting a bunch of stuff, and I have a little set of letters that would work really nicely for that. And then I could do the hot air balloon with the cloud and maybe do a little bit of an inking background. I want to use probably the same stencil I already have used once, just to make like a bluish aqua-y type background. Now that I think about it, it might be cute to do fireworks. The sky's the limit with the fireworks, since, you know, New Year's Eve is firework time. And so pulling this up, I ended up moving little containers. You'll see the evolution of my stamp organization. I like this container, and I put all my papers in the back, so I can pull a paper from there. I do have some Lawn Fawn papers. I think I might do that now that I think about the firework. Speaking of fireworks, it is January 2nd and people are still shooting fireworks off. Okay, there it is. The little Milo's, or no, Oliver's stitched ABCs. I don't have the stitched numbers. I just realized it doesn't have the numbers. I think that's a separate set. See, now I don't know what I'm gonna do about that part. I do have some numbers. Ooh, you know what? I have some thickers numbers in my Shop Your Stash kit for January. I did actually scrapbook 2 layouts on January 1st. I felt super productive. Oh, and you know what? They sparkle. Look at that. Oh yeah, we're on to something. So do we have the letters? 2021. Okay, we got it. All right, my idea is gonna come to fruition here. I do need a white card base for this, so that I can do some inking. I've got our white card base I just pulled out. I will do some inking with this. Let's grab some aqua and bluish colored ink. These ones might be very similar. Oh no, they look a little different. I thought these two might be about the same. So it looks like we've got 3 different blue / aquas to work with. That was the little thing saying it's 10 o'clock. Okay. I have a little reminder letting me know like what time it is so I don't stay up too late on nights. This is what we're working with. We've got Salty Ocean Distress ink, Peacock Feathers Distress ink, Scuba Simon Says Stamp ink. This is a mixture of different stamps. It says not for resale, demo set, summer 2013. These are the sets that we would get as design team members for other companies. And so my bestie got these as part of her design team work because we've got fireworks. It should be like nighttime. Now that I think about it, I probably shouldn't do a stencil. And I don't need to die cut anything because we're using that. We don't need to do much because we're just using a flat card here. We do need to score it so that we know how much to ink. I'm thinking, should we pop a layer up so we have a white edge? I think we shall. We'll score that at 5.5. Just using a scoring board here. I think I will pop it up on another piece of white so that it looks crisp around the edges. I do have a wide paper here I can use. Okay, that looks nice and even. Let's ink it up. I have them like tucked away here. That one's perfect. It's already aqua colored, so we don't need any little refills. We're just gonna go and hope for the best. Throwing things all over the place. The only thing I don't like about these, obviously I really like that they're round and easy, but they're also round and roll all over the place. So I don't have a good place to keep them. They always roll off this little shelfy thing that I have them on. And as far as actual stamping, I think I could stamp them in the darker color, I'm gonna try to pull out an even darker blue. I didn't want to go black. I thought about making this fireworks in black. I thought that would be too dark. I do want to write the sentiment in black, and I may just make a bar across actually with that sentiment. I think that would be pretty. Turn it like this because that's how we're going to be doing this. So let's see, where is our stamp? I'm gonna go dark fireworks for this. Add some bling in, I think, in the center. Did one. Let's do a lighter couple with the scuba ink. It's like the lighter tealish color. I think it'll look good combined in there. Oh yeah, I like that. Alright. That is what we're going with. I like it. Could do something really fun, and I could have embossed those if I had some good embossing powder choices, but I do not have good embossing powder choices. So that was out of the question. So there's that. We do need the sentiment. Let's see, do we have any other color we want to use for the banner here? That's like way too much aqua. Let's see. I'll do an accent color. I don't have anything else besides aqua and purple in here. I don't have any pink or yellow or anything that would go well with that. So I'm gonna have to pull something. You know what? I might pull a pattern paper now that I think about it. I have a really good basic from Lawn Fawn. I've got a few of their paper pads in here. Oh yeah. Let's see if I have anything that would go well with this. I actually like that. Okay, we're going orange. I like that a lot. This is from the Let's Pokemon Me pack. It's more subtle colors. Alright. I can get rid of this page. And let's stamp our sentiment. I want it in black so it shows up nicely. And then I will try to line it up and cut across it once I already stamp it. Okay, that looks good. I think we're done stamping. We just have to work on assembling. And I will put the alphas on, or the number thickers on, after I get this assembled. Sky's the limit. Okay, it's not quite centered, but it's close. Just said I wanted to pop this up, and then I taped it. Oh well, I'm gonna make it flat then. I like how the fireworks turned out. And my inking doesn't look too bad once you cover it up with fireworks. I want it to hang over the edge. I think yes, so I'm gonna assemble it and then trim. Not pop anything up. Changed my mind. All right, we'll trim that little thing off. That looks good. And then we need our 2021, and I know that these stickers are old, and even when they were new, they do not stick the best, so I'm going to stick them on with the glue. And I want to line them up sort of in the center. And the backing came off on all those. We'll have them scooch over just a touch, like so. I was just thinking it might be cute to say Happy 2021. I think I have a happy die cut that I could use for this. Or I could try to stamp it. I don't know how that would go after sticking these guys down. I think I will look for my die cut. Okay, so that could be it, just like that. Because it does have some sparkle. I want to put some gems in there or some enamel dots or something, but first looking for a die. That was the one I was thinking of from Stampin' Up. It's just a big scripty happy. Let's see if it's going to be too... Ooh, no, I don't think it's going to be too big. I am going to cut it in white so that it matches our frame and stands out pretty well against all of the blue. So I'm just going to cut this out real quick. Run it through. I do like my little paper holder thing for all my scraps. Oh, you know what? I don't know. Could maybe cut it out of the smaller piece. Oh, yeah. Waste less paper. I'm trying to use what I've got already cut up. I'm going to run this really quick. I just have my big shot off camera. I'm having the same struggle. Those cutting pads are just not cutting through the best. I had to run it twice. And even then I could tell like part of it is sticky. Doesn't help that this cardstock is so thick. The struggle is real when your cutting pads don't work. I do have some extra long cutting pads that I could pull out. So I'm trying not to buy stuff. But I might be desperate enough to have to get cutting pads. I've only used the same cutting pads for years, guys. It's been years and years. And I might even have another set of them. I should look. I might have an extra set aside from just the big giant set. I've got fuzzies on the edges. Okay. Let's scoot all that out of the way and get this on. It's very fuzzy edged on part of it. Oh, okay, I really like that. I'll have the P's draped down over the letters there. Okay, I like that. It came together. All right, got a fuzzy coming out here. I thought I had one other spot. Oh yeah, by the Y. Paper fuzzy. Okay. Got that. Let's find some glittery enamel shapes. Oh, we got some really sparkly ones there. Let's get some that match a little better. Okay. And done. So we've got some sparkle and shine. We also have some New Year's theme, and we knocked out both challenges, so that was pretty quick. It took about 24 minutes, so not too bad at all. And now it's going to be date night for hubby and me in the house. It's going to be fun. There's another paper shreddy, and that's it. So I hope you guys like this Make a Card Friday. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will be back again very soon. I'm going to do some sort of mid-month progress. I have some more hauls coming up soon, so be sure to stick around, and I will catch you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching, and happy crafting. Bye!